Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, my friends, again? So, today I'm starting a new channel named Parrot Taming. And today our lesson is about Jibril teaches Islam. Parrot says, "No, I'm going to read this." Okay, leave it. Let's start reading. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي بسم الله. Jibril teaches Islam. Omar told of Omar told of how one day they were sitting with the Messenger of Allah when a man dressed in extremely white clothes and with very black hair came up. There were no traces of traveling on him, and none of them knew who he was. The man sat down close by the Prophet, rested his knee against his thighs, and said, "O Muhammad, tell me about Islam." The Prophet said, "Islam says that you should testify that there is no deity save Allah and that Muhammad is his messenger, that you should perform salah, pay the zakah, fast during Ramadan, and perform Hajj if you have the means." The man said, "You have spoken truly." Then he said, "Inform me about Iman, faith." The Prophet answered, "It is that you believe in Allah and His angels and His books and His messengers and in the last day and in fate, qadr, both good and bad." He said, "You have spoken truly." The man said, "Inform me about ihsan." The messenger of Allah answered, It is that you should serve Allah as though you could see him, for though you cannot see him, yet he sees you." He said, "Inform me about the hour." The Prophet replied, "About that the one question knows no more than the questioner." So he said, "Well, inform me about the signs of its coming." At this, the Prophet said, "There are that the slave girl will give birth to her mistress, that you will see the barefooted ones, the naked, the destitute, the herdsmen of the sheep, competing with each other in raising lofty buildings." The man then went off. Omar waited a while, and then the messenger of Allah said, "O Omar, do you know who that questioner was?" Omar replied, "And Allah and his messenger know better." The Prophet said, "That was Jibril. He came to teach you your religion." Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel or this parrot will get sad. Anyways, bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you next time.